Hello, hello. I greet everybody for your own time. You don't stay when I don't come for this YouTube channel again. But as una know, I get a lot of other things what I dey do. So I just say make I come again today. May I come see una me no be say I don't forget. I hope say God, the Lord has been faithful to all of you. Say everybody dey well. We thank God for a new day. Now na say na corona don't take over everywhere, but they that wait on the Lord shall never be put to shame. We put our trust in God, Christ in us, the hope of glory, knowing that God will protect us from every other virus or whatever ailment we dey out there. What I want to talk today about now, they talk say young girls of nowadays, say their breasts they quickly they fall down. Wetin dey say fall down? E dey sleep for down sleep. No be say fall like normal fall as breast dey fall, but they say the breast dey flat. Na men dey complain o. Men go sit down, men go dey complain say women get flat breast. Men they no fear God, they dey complain say women their breast flat. Wetin dem come want make women do? Make dem come carry stick, come put for under the breast, come hold the breast make e stand up. Or make dem go start to dey go dey do plastic surgery, make dem put plastic inside so that make the breast constant. Or make dem come dey sleep wake up with brazier every day and night because dem want make breast stand, abi? The thing be say God no be craze person. Na men wey dey complain, na dem dey craze. Because God wey create anything wey dey under the sun, e get expiry date. Even human being, as dem born you, you grow. Na so you go old and you go die. The same breast women dey complain. Men sef dem no dey get old. Men dey get old. Their canals no dey fall down. E dey drop for down like goat own. Who talk for them? Nobody talk. Na women matter. Na im dey ever dey outside like say na wetin happen. Na woman go grow up, woman go start to dey follow man. Na the same breast na man go start to dey suck. Na woman go come grow up, na woman go marry man, na woman go carry belle born pikin. Na the same breast na im pikin go suck. Na the same breast na im papa go dey suck put. Na woman go dey work, all this work, do everything. Body no dey tire, body na firewood. All the suckle of the breast, sucking of the breast no go fall. E go still fall. So wetin be the one wey dem dey talk say women, dem dey complain say women breast dey fall? If pikin suck breast, make breast remain for up. Now, one thing wey dey happen be say some men are wicked. Men wicked. Another thing wey dey happen be say these days, our young girls, longer throat to dey do something. Longer throat dey do young girls. When we dey talk about old women, when you don old, you born, you breast for na another thing. But these days, you go see young girls, wey the thing don pakana, e don flat already. E dey do laba laba. Whether e dey genetic or e no dey genetic, I no understand. But some of them dey wey longer throat. These days, the men wey dey outside here, man no dey give woman something again for free. Even though e see you dey hungry, e see you say you need help or anything, e must collect something from you before e give you something. So they'll be using these small girls anyhow. If you carry belle, you go and do abortion. The next thing, breast go flat. Imagine if you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 abortion. Like the program wey we have for TLTC platform. One lady wey dey with one guy, e dey abort pregnancy till 5 times. thinking that the man will marry her. If you dey abort like that, na normal thing say breast go yakata, e go fall. And because of longer throat, these young girls, when they no dey go out again with men wey go value them, they will go find old men, all this papa, young papa dem. And the problem is just that the man get for his head say he is going to give and he wants to get what he is paying for. So in that way now, some of them don't use it like wickedness. When you see small young girl, you go match her breast. You go dey match am. You go dey match am. Match am, match am. You go want to use the girl anyhow where you like. You go want to turn her upside down. In short, to squeeze all the milk for inside the breast, make it come out. You go want to suck am. You go want to do the totori, the totori wey dey down, you no wan fuck am for inside. You wan go sleep on am for inside the breast. Give your breast, give this one. Collect anus, do all thing. Wickedness in high places. So another thing again, now they talk like that. Wetin dey also cause breast dey fall before time. Now this one, abortion. Using your body in very useless manner. Your body na the only thing wey you get. Those breasts of yours, your whole body is the asset that you've got. If you use am very useless way, longer throat, burning fish, they will sleep you. Tomorrow you get belle. Some men are just specialists in sleeping with young girls and impregnating them. The next thing, collect money, go and abort that pregnancy. Collect money, go and abort that pregnancy. And you, the young girl, let me tell you, now you the loss, because now your body wey you dey useless like that. Now your body now you dey useless like that. Apart from that body, you don't have anything to offer a man when he finally marries you. You no get. Your body and your intelligence is what you've got. When you no get those things again now, the man go dey complain say you don old. My problem na say our young girls, make una dey take care for una body, because the thing be say 18 o 19 20 you see breast don fall. They never even born, they never even breastfeed pikin, the breast don yakata. Longer throat, abortion is not good. Men are wicked people. Imagine a man wey wan go sleep with small girl, he will go carry wetin they call this thing, this tablet wey they drink, because according to him, I will show her, not knowing that he want to go and kill himself. My advice be say, young girls, see, life no dey finish o. Now human being dey finish. Life no dey finish. If you use your body, now so you go dey wear out. You go dey wear out every day. You go dey old. If you dey na thing wey dey genetic, okay, it's understandable. But that you are using your own body like as if you do not know that one day this breast of yours or your whole system will get old. Then you want it to get old before time. I will advise you to start taking good care of your body. Take good care of your body. Disease from anything wey go make your body it look useless, no do am. Anything wey go bring you any man that want to use your body anyhow, tell them that you don't want. Any man wey go talk say I have to collect the amount that I've given you, match your body anyhow, use you anyhow, fuck your anus, fuck your toto, fuck everywhere, it's not worth the trouble. Make una they take care of una body. There is one other one again, another class of breast falling. When you know they wear the kind of size of bra that you're supposed to wear. When I see this body, it dey like engine for motor. And if you're not taking good care of it, it go happen one day say things go just get as it go be. Because the engine of motor, e be like changing oil or checking the engine once in a while that the engine is in good condition. So also is the body of a woman. Taking good care, choosing the size of bra that is actually meant for your breast. Breast wey get size. But some women dey wey their own, when they know say they wear breastwear, you dey wear breastwear. Breast go dey come out everywhere. Poko is swell for here, poko is swell for armpit, poko is swell for everywhere. When you no get the size of bra wey be your own size, your breast will never look in shape. Even though the breast don fall sef, you rub am, you took am inside correct breastwear, e go still look nice. So wetin I dey talk be say, I take one name take beg una, make every woman begin to dey take care for your body. My battery don low, na im the screen don dark like that, but I just wan finish the video. Take care of your body. The only thing wey you get na your body. All the money wey you dey work, dey save for bank, or dey do everything, that one no concern anybody. The one wey you dey for your body, na im be your own. The one wey you eat, na im be your own. It is high time we begin to realize say life no get guarantee. You have to take care of yourself. Go to where they sell good breastwear, buy better breastwear, wear better dress. In short, any kind of dress that you wear these days, it has the kind of pants that you have to put in that dress. Because when they see some people, when they dress, some women will dress the kind of pants you will wear. You will not know that this dress was not meant for this kind of pants. You go look your dress, you go know the kind of pants wey pass with that dress. It is just caretaking, just taking good care of your own self. Feeling good. Looking good is good business, man. Dress yourself. Wear things that you feel comfortable inside. Know say your body dey like engine. If you don't take care of your body, you will not look good. Beauty is a thing from inside, an inborn thing. And that is why you see some people are fighting so much to look good. Fighting so much to imitate. You cannot imitate somebody. You cultivate the attitude from inside. Treat your body well. Treat your body well. Treat your body well. Wear good clothes. Wear good bras. Wear good panties. The one wey pass with your size of your toto, and the pants wey pass with the size of your buttocks. Some of una go get buttocks like anything, go carry string tangana wetin. There are very good cotton pants that you can wear. These days, na say person no go look himself. I beg, if I no wear string, I go die. If I know na string, will not be my pants so I dey wear. Na string I dey wear. You don't first check your buttocks, whether it be made for strings. The size of your buttocks and the shape of your buttocks, are they made for strings? The size of your bra, the size of your breast, are they made for wearing open dresses? You don't ask yourself, woman, may we dey take care of ourselves. May I come dey go? We go see ourselves again. I will just say, make I come tell una. We should not give the men the chance to always say rubbish to us. Don't give the men a chance to say rubbish. Because this nonsense, you must stop. Women get flat breasts. Women do this one. Now they themselves go follow suck the bobby. They follow sucker. And they follow to do everything. When do the breast fall? So you, the woman, you have the right to say, stop. I do not want you to use me like something else. Don't use me this way. Do not, may not they meow your body, they press you like orange. After you don't remove all the juice from your body, before you go, what you go do with you? Tell and say, stop. Do not, may not use you like anything. Because when you are tired, when you are old, when the breast don't sag, now still you, they go still leave you, go find that one. Because they are never satisfied. They know they're satisfied. So no give them the space to say, may they can't tell you, say, this one, that one, go up, calm down. No. He won't press your breast anyhow when you tell am say stop am, no do am. A man is something, man get to respect woman. He gets way wey get to take the touch your body with respect. Not be the one wey will come do pounce on you like say una dey fight. Just dey like pig. Tell am say stop. The ones the another one quality quality for them dey wey those ones they don't even know say they romance person. How they like come open make I do they go. Your wife or whether your girlfriend or whatever. Now it go be like say na thing where you just go borrow person. Make I do quick, make I give her, make they go. Eh? They open, you just climb, go, 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 go. They jump like say they jump for inside bus. What's it be that now? Time don't reach to the tell them say stop. Eh? Tomorrow, if you are not yourself, now you yourself they will still leave you by yourself. Go find that person. So it depends on you how you take care of your body, how you make him know how to respect your body. Now you go do. If you no tell him, he go meow you, go press you like orange, suck all the juice out of your body. At the end of the day, now you will still cry. Now he will still insult you, and you're not taking care of yourself. See how dirty you look. See how your breast is flat, like say breast no dey market. See all this one, that one. No, don't give them the chance to do that rubbish with you. Oh yeah, now let me come and be going. I love you all. Mwah. Check Tell Tessie's Inspirational Corner on Facebook. As you watch the video, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Follow us also on Facebook and subscribe also on the YouTube channel. Check also our hair page, our wig page, Wig by TTIC, where we put hair wigs. And God bless you as you patronize us, as you watch and share and subscribe. God bless you. Bye. Mwah.